J Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m upon Q3 minus Q1, 12.75 upon 68.75. Solving this, the value for J we have got 0.44. So here positive skewness. The skewness what we have calculated is positive. This is sum number 3 we have done, page number 206. You have to do this sum in your notebook. Exercise 5.2, question number 4, page number 206 we are solving. The commission paid by the insurance company to the agents in a branch of insurance company during a month was the following frequency distribution. Find the coefficient of skewness by Bowley's method. We have to find out the J by Bowley's method. Here the commission paid in 1000 rupees is given, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16 and like that. Number of companies is given 4, 10, 16, 29 and like that. Now we have to find out first CFI. CFI 4, 4 plus 10 14, 14 plus 16 30, 30 plus 29 and 59. Calculating the CFI we have got for each class. Now to find out J by Bowley's method, first step to find out Q1, that is quartile 1. Q1 is equal to n by 4, and we have calculated here 264 total. Now 264 divided by 4th observation, that is 66th observation. 66th observation lies into the class of this. So L here will take this frequency CFI. Formula for Q1 is L plus n by 4 minus CFI upon Fi into C. L we have calculated 66 lies to this. So L is here 18 plus n by 4 66 minus CFI class preceding to that 59 above, and frequency is 52, class length is 2. Solving this, we got the value for Q1. This is 7 into 2 divided by 52. 18 plus 14 divided by 52. So value for Q1 is 18.27. Round figure they have taken as 18.27. Value for Q1 18.27. Now median. Median is what? 2 n by 2. N is 264 divided by 2. So we have got 132 observation. 132th observation lies into the class of this. So L will take here 20, frequency 80, CFI 111. Formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus CFI up into C upon Fi. L here we have taken as 20. L we have taken as 20. N by 2 is 132. CFI class preceding to that is 111. Frequency is 80. Class length is 2. Solving this, 20 plus 132 minus 111 is 21 into 2 upon 80. 20 plus 42 upon 80 is equal to 20 plus 0.53. The value for Q2 or median, you can say, we have got 20.53. Now to calculate the value for Q3, 3n by 4. So 3 into 66th observation is equal to, we have got 190th observation. 190th observation, if you see, this will lie into the class of 223 here. So L here will take 22, frequency 32, and CFI class above this is 191. Formula for Q3 is equal to L plus 3n by 4 minus CFI upon Fi into C. Putting the value L here we have calculated as 22, class this 22. So 22 plus this we have solved 198 minus CFI is 191, class above that, upon 32 into 2. Solving this, 22 plus 7 into 2, 14 upon 32. Calculating this, we have got 0.44. So value for Q3 is 22.44. Now we have to calculate the value for J. J is what? Coefficient of skewness by Bowley's method. Formula is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m upon Q3 minus Q1. Putting into the value for Q3 is 22.44 plus the value for Q1 is 18.27 minus 2m, value for median is 20.53 upon 22.44 minus 18.27. Solving this, value for J we have got 40.71 minus 41.06, 2 into 20.53 upon 4.17 is equal to 0.35 of negative 40.71 minus 41.06, negative value we have got, upon 4.17 is equal to, value for J is equal to minus 0.08, which is what? Negative skewness. So we have to write here negative skewness. Here we have solved this sum number 4 of exercise 5.2. You have to do this sum in your notebook.